Hey guys, this is Reggie with A Team Appliance. I want to take just something this woke in me today to say, you know what, I'm gonna do a keep it real video. So this is a keep it real video about appliance resale, working out of your house, and scrapping. So this is my trailer. It's my front yard, which I hate to have it here, but got to get to the scrap yard. So why am I scrapping these machines? This machine traditionally has that timer right there. Um, Typically, you just got to stay in the context. I do have a video on that. But I needed the door from it to fix a dryer because this particular timer kept running. Like it won't stop, which I think need a timer motor. And I didn't have time to actually order it. I mean, I could probably buy it off eBay or Amazon for like $15-20, or the whole timer for like $90. But I had a dryer that I can fix, you know, right then and there, and I needed a door, so I took the door off. And then slowly but surely, I started taking little parts off. And next thing you know, hey, guess what? It's a parts machine. So now that's going to the scrapyard. I mean, I used to hoard parts. I used to sell stuff on eBay, but I just my eBay store kind of just went away because I just ran out of time. But that drum is good. I already got one drum saved. So I usually save like one of each part because I don't want things to pile up too much because I do work out of my home. So this drum is going. And actually, guys, this right here, this is like a glide that goes around the edge. That's good to save too, because sometimes you'll get one that's broke. But you don't want to save too much. You want to be picky. That's one thing I've learned throughout the years is you gotta let stuff go. Like those knobs will be good to have, but I got plenty. I mean, as long as you got like two or three of each of the parts, you can go ahead and just punt, man. Don't feel bad about it. Like this is a cover for a Whirlpool dryer. It's actually good. Sometimes I get one and it's rusty and I'll switch it out. But you can only save so much, man. You just got to punt, man, and your time too. This is a GE. This is one, as you can see from here. It's supposed to be a tub plastic bearing here, which I took off. I think I threw it away. But plastic bearing on it. And that's about $40, man, just buying offline. Because you have to buy the slides and the bearing too. And so 8 through the door. I don't have an extra door. I usually do 8 through the door. This part here too is got a crack on it. So I'm punting this. The motor's good. I didn't have to. I mean, you gotta cut time, man. So I didn't have time to take the motor off. So I'm gonna dump that too. I've got one or two already. So I did take the board off because that was just easy because I already had it apart. So I just cut the wires. So it's got to be easy for me to take it. Case in point, this Whirlpool Cabrio. This head is good. It actually washed pretty good. This was a trade-in, and I think the issue is with the dryer. But this thing was so rusted, I just don't have time, man. Like, cause I probably got this lid somewhere. See that? But I just don't have time to change it out, man. And I'm trying to, again, you got to rotate inventory, man. Stuff got to be in and out. You can't hang on to everything or it'll pile up on you and make your life miserable. So you just got to know when to punt stuff, man, you know. And this is a high-end machine. Probably would be worth fixing. I could probably get about $250 for it. But it will require a lot of labor to change it out, the top and stuff. And then once you do that, if you discover another issue, you've wasted a lot of time. And see, it needs a lot of cosmetic stuff. The old me would have kept it and fixed it, you know, but now I'm at a point where stuff is just piling up. Project machines, it just gets punted, man. If I can afford to like keep 2 or 3 project machines around, but as they pile up, man, you just gotta sacrifice and punt, man. You feel like you're losing money, but you're gaining time. So that's going. And this is just a front loader. Again, I picked parts off of it, and so it's going. Actually, that front loader was fine. It had a lot of cosmetic issues. Yeah, and the door, see, you can see it through here, right there. The door needs a latch. So it needs like a lot of little parts, but even though it's a working machine, and I end up borrowing stuff from it, and so I'm punting it. And so let me show you why. Hang on. All right, so this is my side yard, which it's embarrassing to show it like this, but this is the true dark side of the business. So I typically want to keep this clear. and stuff just piled up, man. And I got two young boys with Boy Scouts, and then I got a deliver machine. Well, I got a delivery guy, but sometimes I got deliver machines. I have store I have to maintain, and stuff just piles up, man. So I got that stackable I've been pulling parts from. That's been actually a good machine to have around. It looks like junk, but it's been very useful. Um, that's this stackable right here. I purchased, and it had a fire in it, so the wiring's all bad. So it's a project now. So I gotta change out the wiring. I'm gonna take the wiring out of this stackable. Um, this dryer has a wiring problem, so it's gonna be scrapped. So I'm gonna try to save the door. This is a washer behind it. I think it has off balance issues. Maybe nothing wrong with it. I don't know. But I got a point where I gotta just dump everything, man. This one, I don't even think I even tested that yet. This, I don't think it's tested, but they're project machines. This is a dryer, needs a board. That's about $150, so I may punt that. And this won't come on at all. It's also a dryer, and I don't think it's compatible with that. The board, so I don't know how to fix it by now. Um, so everything has to get scrapped, man. This is a nice two-piece set, compact, but the washer needs a drum. I've been hanging on to it, man, trying to find parts as a GE, and I just can't find them. So I got some clean up back here, man. But this is why you don't want to keep projects, because then your yard will look like this, and eventually it piles up, man. And trying to go to the scrap yard, just trying to find time for everything is tough. So that's why you just got to punt, man. And you'll punt it, and as soon as you scrap it, you'll need a part off it. I'm sure it's going to happen, but it's just part of the reality of the business. So just wanted to share that, the dark side of the business and managing it. There's my man Scott right there. So just it requires management, man. I guess the lesson from this video is don't be afraid to punt a perfectly good machine, but it requires a lot of time. And if you, especially the cosmetic ones, you fix all the cosmetic issues, then you get it up and running, and you find out it needs another issue, you've wasted a lot of time. So any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. This is Reggie with A Team Appliance.